Actually, our son was already into theatre in the school for in his first and second standard. There only we came to know about Vaishali's drama program, and then further it was being introduced by Ambience principal Kavita ma'am to us that she conducts classes here. So we decided to shift him to these classes, and we found them they are more rigorous as compared to the school classes. He has been here from nearly now 4 years, and he is a quiet child, so we could actually find a lot of changes with him. So he has become more expressive. At the same time, he has started coming, out for his ideas, and he really likes doing these classes. So primarily, I won't say only theatre. Both theatre and guitar has helped him. But yes, theatre has a larger impact that way. Oh, she is a great person, and what I realized is that from like around 2 years back, she called me and she asked me a few things about my son. So what I felt is that she was looking at each and every child very closely, and her readings were quite a bit like a mother or parents has the reading about the child, and she really helped him to come out of those things.